everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into a creative papercraft portrait using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered creative platform that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI creative images, AI talking photo, avatar video, product showcase, AI designs, and many more. And then in here, we will use this tool to create a creative papercraft portrait. And if you like to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions to access this tool. And then after that, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI, and then next, just go to more, choose Image Studio, and then in here, just choose AI designs like this, and then just upload your photo that you want to transform. For example, like this, and then next, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it as you like. Then after that, just choose your AI designs like this, and then choose your ratio on here, and then after that, just click submit and wait for the process. And okay, let's just take a look. Okay, like this, you can see it. You can see the result. You can see it. It's so beautiful and so aesthetic like this. It's really like the papercraft. Honestly, it's so cool. Your photo automatically transforms into a beautiful papercraft like this. And okay, that's it. Maybe you can just try it with your own photo. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.